Meet Hicksfield's new AI influencer model, your all-in-one creative powerhouse for building a digital persona that actually fits your content. This next-generation model lets you create, design, and customize your own AI influencer from scratch, giving you full control over appearance, style, personality, and vibe. Whether you're producing short-form videos, brand promos, educational content, lifestyle reels, or faceless marketing, Hicksfield makes it effortless to craft an AI influencer that looks authentic, on brand, and camera ready every time. From polished creators to bold trendsetters, this model adapts to your niche, your audience, and your platforms, helping you stay consistent, professional, and scalable without relying on traditional photo shoots or on-camera presence. If you want an AI influencer that works for your content, not against it, Hicksfield's AI influencer model is the future of digital creation.
So, Hicksfield AI has just launched a new AI features to their platform. It's called an AI Influencer Studio. You can use that to create your own AI influencer, build it the way you want, able to create it, okay? So also, if Hicksfield is offering, when you create AI influencer, when you create a content using AI Influencer Studio, you'll be able to earn money on Hicksfield. All right. So it says here, get paid for creating content with Hicksfield on social media. This is amazing opportunity. All right. Go ahead and follow this tutorial and create your own stunning content. Click on it. Let's see furthermore what Hicksfield had offer. Okay. Here it says that a lot of people have been able to earn this using this content, creating this content on their social media. Okay, here it will be teaching you how you can submit your video and start earning money. Okay, go ahead and create yours. You just have to log into your social media, post the content you've created using these features, okay, and you get paid. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So the next question is, how do you create this content? How can I create this content so I can tap into the opportunity of earning with on this Hicksfield Creator program? Okay, so let's dive in. All right, so when you come on Hicksfield, you will see this AI Influencer Studio. Tap on it. Okay, when you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. All right, so here on the left hand side, you can see it says you can create your own influencer. We'll get back to that, okay? But I want us to scroll so you'll be able to see other amazing features. So when you come on the left hand side here, you will see already inbuilt influencers that is on Hicksfield, okay? You can go ahead, scroll down, you will see different of them. This one, okay, is Skylar. They have different name. This has already been built on Hicksfield, all right? So beautiful. So what you can do, you can select the one you like. Okay, let's say we select this Onyx. Okay, tap on it, it will come to the main interface here. So when it comes here, if you just want to use this influencer to create your content, you can go ahead, but we want to edit this influencer. All right, what you will do, you see the pen here, it will ask you to edit in Nano Banana Pro. Okay, you can click on that edit. All right, or you can type in here, let's say you want to make her, you can say make her to appear okay, you can say make her appear in a luxury living room. You will tap on edit. So Hicksfield will automatically create this model in a luxury living room. Okay, so this is the image it created. You can see how beautiful that looks. All right, next thing you have to do, if let's say you want to build your own influencer, okay, like this influencer as well, you can edit all these things, you can select woman, okay, you can select all these things, but let's create our own influencer from scratch. Okay, so scroll to the right hand side, you will see character type. All right, here you will see human, you will see ants, you will see all sorts of characters here. Okay, you see octopus, you see crocodile. What kind of character do you want to create? Is all here. All right, so when you look at the top there, you see builder. So this is where you can select Hicksfield already created character and all that to build your own. However, you can click on prompt. You can click on prompt and build your own influencer. Okay, all you need to do is to paste in your prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt I've created: a confident, glamorous, okay, black woman. You can go ahead, paste in the prompt you have. All right, paste it in. So you can go ahead, select. If it will give you other kind of other sports, other, kind of other kind of characters you can as well create. But if you want to build your own, you need to build your own character. You need to click on create new. Okay, when you click on create new, it will come here. It will ask you your AI influencer live here, design and build your AI influencer from scratch. So that's what we want to do. So you have to click on prompt, and here it asks you to enter a detailed prompt. Okay, I already have a detailed prompt already. So once you paste in that prompt, you can go ahead and click on generate, but we want to make changes to this. Okay, click on generate. So this is the image Higgsfield created from the prompt I pasted. All right. So what we have to do, you can click on edit in Nano Banana to see, okay, to edit this character. Okay, click on edit. It will bring you here for you to make edit if you want to do edit on this with this character. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to tap on this image. Okay, the image, this is, you see how beautiful she looks, very pretty. So tap on the image. Higgsfield will open here. Okay, here it will ask you, do you want to recreate, do you want to, what do you want to do you want to edit the prompt? Okay, we will click on animate. Okay, when you click on animate, it will bring you to the editing video platform of Higgsfield. Okay, here it will be using Kling 2.9 to animate this video. You can also write a prompt. Okay, whatever prompt you want, you can also, so once you type in the prompt you want, you click on generate. Okay, you can also click on builder for you to kind of use his field that, features here, character features to, change the character. You can click on this one if you want that. If you don't want, just play around with all these images. Okay, a lot of them. When you come down here, you can as well check if you want her to be a trans man, a trans woman. You can go ahead and select the ethnicity. You want her to be African, you can select that. Okay, but I will deselect because I really like the character I build, but I want to change her facial features. Okay, I want to change her facials too. So this is where I want to change her eye color. I want her eye color to have purple. You can select purple. Okay, remember we are editing the influencer that we build. You can select different eye color. If you want her to have pure black, so it's okay. I like the blue one. No, I like the blue one. Yeah. So select the eye color you like. If you want her to have spots, you can select vitiligo. Okay. You can select that. Go ahead and just select what you want your character to have. Age, you can make her look a bit older. Okay. Advanced setting, you can go down and just select if you want it to be in skeletal form. So once you've picked what you want, you click on generate. It will now regenerate another influencer based on this content, based on this selection that we have chosen. All right. So this is what Higgsfield created using, look at how she looks. Look at how stunning it look. The way the image look realistic. That's what amazes me. All right. It looks super, super consistent. So all you need to do, you see a download button, you click on download. Okay. And that will save to your device. So this is the video we created, the AI influencer that we created using AI influencer model on Higgsfield, and I animated it on using Kling 2.6 model. Okay, look at how stunning it look and how realistic it look. Go ahead and download it. Remember, when you download all this content you've created and you post it on your social media, remember to come to Higgsfield AI. Okay, when you come, click on this main bar here. Okay, click on the home page and remember to click here for you to add your link. Okay, and you will start earning money. Go ahead and create your content